Understanding the phrase, gaming backpack, an English language tutorial. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and modern phrase, gaming backpack. This topic is not only interesting but also relevant in today's tech-savvy world. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase. The phrase, gaming backpack, is made up of two words, gaming and backpack. Gaming refers to the act of playing video games, which can be on a computer, console, or mobile device. Backpack is a type of bag carried on one's back and secured with two straps that go over the shoulders. So, a gaming backpack is a backpack designed specifically for carrying gaming equipment. These backpacks often have special compartments for laptops, consoles, headphones, and other gaming accessories. They're popular among gamers who need to transport their gear safely. Gaming backpacks are not just regular backpacks, they have unique features. Here are some key characteristics. Durability. They are made with strong materials to protect valuable gaming equipment. Compartments. Special sections for laptops, controllers, headphones, and game discs. Comfort. Enhanced shoulder pads and back cushioning for comfortable carrying. Style. Often designed with a stylish, tech-inspired look. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are some example sentences. I just bought a new gaming backpack to carry my laptop and gaming gear. Can you recommend a good gaming backpack for traveling? Her gaming backpack has awesome LED lights and a lot of space. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, gaming backpack. It's a great example of how English evolves with technology and lifestyle changes. Keep practicing, and don't forget to carry your learning enthusiasm in your metaphorical backpack. Until next time, happy learning,